Right now, we're seeing an unusual spike in education sentiment at plus 0.78, despite a momentum drop of minus 0.50 over the past 24 hours. This is a significant divergence from historical trends, suggesting a potential shift in public perception or reaction to recent educational events or policies. Our API returns comprehensive sentiment analysis, including sentiment scores, momentum trends, and semantic clusters that provide deeper insights into the data. Imagine you're developing an application for educators that analyzes public sentiment around new teaching methods. This data could help inform your users about trending topics and adjust strategies in real time. Check out our documentation at pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs and start leveraging sentiment data to enhance your projects.